Some of the homework for Wednesday is a bit complicated as Tuesday's was. I'm just going to give you a few hints so that you're not spending the whole day at it. Question 13, you have been given the volume and you have to find the height. That should be easy enough. You did that in book 1, I would say. Question 15, the ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 7. Now, it could be 4 we're getting the volume, so is it 4 multiplied by 6 by 14? That's 2 times the ratio. Or 3 times the ratio, which is 6 by 9 by 21. That won't give you 2688. Or is it 20 by 30 by 70? Okay, so we're missing some number there to give us the ratio. So what you can do is do 2 and your missing number, 3 and your missing number, and 7 and your missing number. Okay, and if you work that out, they're all supposed to be x's, you will be able to solve for x. And then you need to use that number. I'll let you think about that yourselves. In question 17, be careful because there's 1,000 centimetres cubed in a litre. So we're just going to go with centimetres all the way and keep metres out of it and litres out of it. So just remember that 240 litres is 240,000 centimetres cubed. At the end, you will find the height is 25, but that's only 3/4 of the height of the tank. So you need to change that a little bit to get the height of the tank. This is question 19 here. I forgot to write that down. Be careful that box has no lid on it. Okay, so the lid is length by breadth. So put a 1 there instead of 2. Okay. When you fill in all these numbers, you will be getting quite difficult things to multiply, like maybe 2 by x by 2.5. That's 2 by 2.5 is 5. And I should have an x there. There should be an x there. Okay, so that gives you 2.5 or 5x squared. The 3 of these numbers multiplied together gives you 75x, so just check that you get those. You will then get a quadratic equation. So algebra is coming in a lot here. You can simplify the equation you get by dividing across by 5. And if you can't divide across by 5, you've probably gone wrong somewhere. Solve the equation. This is the way mine turned out. I won't tell you the numbers yet. There's 2 numbers missing there. And eventually you'll find that x equals 4, as far as I remember. X equals 4. And then you can go and find the volume. Okay, and be careful, they ask you for the volume in litres. Okay, the answers in the back of the book for this one are correct. Best of luck.